Welcome to the IELTS Symphony, where we orchestrate your path to success in the listening section of the IELTS exam. Today, we're focusing on a crucial skill: close listening, also known as attentive listening. This skill is especially vital for those who find the listening test challenging. Let me guide you through a structured exercise to hone your listening abilities. 1. Select your topic. Choose a topic relevant to the IELTS exam. This could be anything from academic discussions to everyday conversations. 2. Source selection. Look for audio materials related to your chosen topic. Utilize podcasts, movies, YouTube videos, or specifically curated IELTS listening samples. 3. Active listening practice. Play the audio and listen attentively for a short duration, around half a minute to a minute. Focus on capturing every detail, from vocabulary choices to intonations. 4. Pause and recite. Pause the audio and try to recite what you've just heard verbatim. Challenge yourself to remember every word and nuance. Take your time and allow yourself to recall the information accurately. 5. Gradual increase. As you become more comfortable, gradually increase the length of the audio segments you listen to before pausing. This will push your listening skills further and improve your ability to retain information. 6. Repetition and refinement. Repeat this exercise with different audio materials, varying in complexity and length. Each repetition will reinforce your listening proficiency and refine your ability to recall details effectively. Remember, practice makes perfect. By incorporating regular close listening exercises into your study routine, you'll develop the sharp listening skills needed to excel in the IELTS exam.